Hi, everybody. All right, it is Friday, and that means that today I'm talking to you about how to actually construct your bill. So let's take a look at that. If you go on to Schoology, you'll see there's all the standard things, and then down at the bottom, I've included the link from the worksheet for bill writing that you completed yesterday. I think you'll be able to, if you click on that, access the answers that you put in yesterday. I did put in there that you could do 2 attempts at that, so you could view your own answers and that also that you could view them. So I'm hoping that you can actually view your answers from yesterday. If not, please let me know right away if you can't do that. Okay, then underneath that, I have a copy of the Student Congress bill template. If you come up in the top, today's assignment, you're going to be transferring your bill information from your worksheet to your bill template. So you're going to go down here and you are going to, in the bill template, once it opens, you are going to go up to File and you're going to choose Make a Copy. And here you're going to change it to your name and like the topic of your bill, like a very brief, like 2 or 3 word title for the topic of your bill. So put that there so that you have your own copy and you're ready to go with it. And that way you can just edit directly onto this page and you don't have to worry about all the setup and everything like that. Okay, now let's go. Once you're done with that, I have put up 3 different sample bills, a sample serious bill and 2 sample funny bills, the Pony ID bill, and then this one is the mandatory euthanasia bill for people over a certain age. All right, so you can look at both of those to kind of help you with constructing the bill. But let's take a look at the bill template again for right now, so we can discuss a little bit about what you do. So you remember the worksheet that you did yesterday. This first article is stating what the new policy is. Okay, first change the title up here, a bill to do what? So include that there. And you can take a look at the titles of the sample bills to kind of help you get an idea. And then keep this phrase there. And then you go to the new policy in a declarative sentence. What is it going to be? This bill shall do this, or as few sentences as possible. It's kind of the introduction to what your bill is and what it's going to do. All right, so this part, Article 2 here, summarize and clarify why this bill is needed. So this is the problem that exists and the solution, or how it offers a solution to the problem. So present the problem and then define terms. And the terms, you might have more than 2 terms, you might have 3 terms, in which case if you have 3 terms, you're going to insert a new section there. Okay, Article 3 is about overseeing the bill. So what's the government agency that will oversee the enforcement and the specific enforcement mechanism? So is it speed traps on the highway? Is it video of all people's like front doors? Like how are they going to know that the bill is being enforced? Section 1 and Section 2 are all about the punishments for the bill, and that's where you put in like the fines will be this, first time, second time, third time if you're graduating the steps. It also includes like who's going to oversee and who's going to actually carry it out. So this is all, that's kind of like the nitty gritty. Underneath that, this is very simply, that's also from your worksheet, what day and time is the bill going to be implemented in. Article 5 will be the same for everyone. So all laws in conflict with this legislation are hereby declared null and void. Everybody's Article 5s will say that. And it basically means that if there are current laws in this country that exist today, that your bill is in conflict with, then all of those laws are now null and void, and your bill is the new law of the land. Okay? And then all you have to do is do respectfully submitted and type your name, your signature. If we were doing this in class, you would all sign the copy that you gave me, like your final copy, but all you have to do is type your name in there. Okay? This is a very simple document. It should be 1 page, maybe a page and a half tops, but you want to try to get it down to a single page, and you might need to change the spacing a little bit in order to do that so that you can have that. But this is basically stuff that came from your worksheet that you're putting in like bill language here. And to help you with bill language, you want to take a look at some of the sample bills that I have down here in Schoology that'll kind of help you like establish it a little bit more in a formal manner. So this is Friday. I'm giving this to you today on Friday. It is not due until Monday at 11:59 p.m. Come on to Schoology again on Monday. I might have a very brief screencast for you to kind of talk to you about how you're going to submit those bills to me by 11:59 on Monday. But this should be a pretty quick part of it. You're actually going to spend a little bit more time on writing the speech because that's where you have to put in your research. Okay, so I hope you have a great weekend and that you are able to like come up with a interesting idea for your bill. Take care and stay out of trouble and stay well.